Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
We demand
Justice for students!
We demand
Justice for students!
We demand
Justice for students!
Sir, anyone would like to speak on behalf of your people here? Did you obtain a permission for broadcasting here? Because you need permission.
Kinong yalam bat irkhat jaga Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee hakami jaga arfoitrik unaitung arja penrio. Kiralik ra plakat bat perta yaki sur penrem yaka Sarkar National Democratic Alliance bayalam daga BJP kum gadak ban persya jingsya kaut lati ka jingsya siat tergas haki pulit haka jingyaki hanong ba Delhi bela penlong daga Cockroach Janta Party ka bedang beteng hadu menta bandawa hersuki yu menteri ketrat pulih peti Dharmendra Pradhan halor ka jinglai tu ka jingkali ka exam NEET UG dangshen haga jingakran mekilar tai kubor nong ilam ka Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Congress Committee usamla ban phiralang basayo maj ula ongba hangnu bakadon ka jingsya le bomhok chungki nong nong jongkari India ka sang Congress kan mi syakmat ban persya kat bagi khot ka sang Congress kidang panlongi ka jingaki lawan poi si kinhun ki polit ki bla pensange yakani ka jingaki
Kar komlong ke India menta karong ka caka ka ba ki khna samla ki jongi khna puli jongi kamdan shu kata ka jismo shngan ani kata jishania ya system education system ko bran pokari ka jongi hangni Meghalaya ni ka jalla ka jongi ni ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress kadang youth Congress ki Mahila Congress ki jalla hangni kani ki jingwan ka jongi ni kamdi tang bolong symbolic movement ka jongi ekde ka jing so khang ka jongi ki so pangnur ka jongi habangi ki videos po social media hakaba ki khna ki ba protest yakani ka people league ba ki sha bom sha lathi charge sha kem ki MPs meneru sanphongun ki ba le ki protest march yakiru la sha manhandle sha banben ka government BJP ka penankam komisioneri kat bakidon bakin suppress dan bakin yuraj yak surjong pajba hapo ka demokrasi idan kalat idan takalenti bakesno yak jing ki jongi idan ka hok bagin protest hapo kadon kanuno ka jing bom kamdan ka justice hapo kamdan ka transparency hapo ka system kekani ka jingwan ka jongi menta kamit ni wa hiru baki samla puli bra hapo shlong ka society at large ki kimi ki kpa bra ki kun puli puthi kide banya mi renti kide ban banya wat lan masothu ke ge jing e jong ki khna menta ngi nang itang ba bom lati hakaba ki kidia ki kijat kidia ki jong khna ka kham sosi de ka broken dreams habaka dreams ki khna ta long shattered ka dreams jong khna ka jing angnu jong ki khna puli ka long sha betrayed ka jing pelut por jong ki bakin prepare ki exams kalong leno a banle exams RCN ya ka jo kamle ka bakai ka anxiety jong ki kimi ka pa anxiety jong ki khna tingi kum ka ta society ka balong civilized ka civil society ni haban ni ban kersan khna jongi amar ki khna puli ki jongi ki samna ki jongi ki ta kilawe umde ta kilawe ki menta ki jongi ro te kadi ka jing penshan kliang Congress ba hano ka jaka kadan ka injustice haka imlang salang inmi syakman dan minta guru
Sir, anyone would like to speak on behalf of your people here? Did you obtain a permission for broadcasting here? Because you need permission.
because we have to protect.
Yeah, I understand you can protest. I'm not saying you cannot protest, but then this is a specific place, so you cannot just come in here protesting without the permission.
So yes, we understand the protocol, right?
Yes.
But the situation that's happening in India, the situation that's happening.
I'm
with
also
our
aware of
kids,
it.
yes.
Everyone is
We have
aware of
kids,
it.
Yes, that's what. So we.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.